So, we've all heard the term global warming, right? But who really knows what it actually means and the depth and severity of this matter, why it's happening, and what we can do to help? Global warming isn't an opinion, it's a scientific reality. Science tells us that human activity has made enormous impacts to our planet that affect our well-being and even our survival as a species. So first off, let's go over what exactly is global warming and what does it mean for us. The Earth as an ecosystem is changing. More carbon dioxide is in the atmosphere than has been in the past 650,000 years. This carbon stays in the atmosphere and it acts like a warm blanket. It holds in the heat, and this is making the atmosphere of Earth's average temperature rise. The reason we exist on this planet is because the Earth naturally traps just enough heat in the atmosphere to keep the temperature within a very narrow range. This creates the conditions that gives us breathable air, clean water, and the weather we depend on to survive. Human beings have begun to tip that balance. We've overloaded the atmosphere with heat-trapping gases from our cars, factories, and power plants. There's been a comprehensive review of key climate indicators confirming the world is warming and the past decade was the warmest on record. Compiled by more than 300 scientists from 48 countries, the report said its analysis of 10 indicators that are clearly and directly related to surface temperatures. They all tell the same story, that global warming is undeniable. The world's leading science journals report that glaciers are melting 10 times faster than previously thought. The atmospheric greenhouse gases have reached levels not seen for millions of years, and that species are vanishing as a result of climate change. The massive ice sheets in the Arctic are melting at alarming rates and causing the oceans to rise. Scientists estimate the ocean levels to rise about 6 feet over the next 100 years or sooner. The United States, with only 4% of the world's population, is responsible for 22% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. A rapid transition to energy efficiency and renewable energy resources will combat global warming, protect human health, create new jobs, protect habitat and wildlife, and ensure a secure, affordable energy future. Now, there are many things we can all do to help alleviate the severity of this matter. And here are just a few things that we can do. Using recycled paper saves 5 pounds of carbon dioxide per ream of paper. You can check your water heater, make sure to keep your thermostat no higher than 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and that could save 550 pounds of carbon dioxide and approximately $30 per year. Don't idle in your car. Idling wastes money and gas, generates pollution, and global warming causing emissions. You can use compact fluorescent bulbs. If you replace 3 frequently used light bulbs with compact fluorescent bulbs, you can save 300 pounds of carbon dioxide and about $60 per year. You could take the Energy Star pledge. You could also take shorter showers. Showers account for 2/3 of all water heating costs. And it could save about 350 pounds of carbon dioxide, $99 a year. There are many more things we can do to help. Please visit www.stopglobalwarming.org to find out what more you can do to help. You can also join for free and become part of the movement to demand that our leaders freeze and reduce carbon dioxide emissions now. If we don't start fixing the problem now, we're in for devastating changes to our environment. We will experience extreme temperatures, rises in sea levels, and storms of unimaginable destructive fury. Recently, alarming events that are consistent with scientific predictions about the effects of climate change have become more and more common. Super powerful hurricanes fueled by warmer ocean temperatures are the smoking gun of global warming. Since 1970, the number of Category 4 and 5 events has jumped sharply. Human activities are adding an alarming amount of pollution to the Earth's atmosphere, causing catastrophic shifts in weather patterns, and these shifts are causing severe heat, floods, and even worse. Hurricane Sandy has brought back climate change speculation with a vengeance. Hurricane Sandy is a disturbing sign of things to come. And we must heed this warning and act quickly to solve this climate crisis. Dirty energy makes dirty weather. Climate scientists warn that global warming is likely to increase the incidence of serious events like Hurricane Sandy. Warming water and rising sea levels may be contributing to what New York politicians are calling our new reality. And we are all contributors to global warming, and we should all be a part of the solution. That's it.